Hi, I'm taking some time off my well-earned vacation, believe me, to talk to you about the fact that we are bringing our Act Basics workshops online and in person, a hybrid format in fact. And today I'm going to talk to you not about the whole program, but just about the Act Level 1, 6 Steps to Flexibility. This is in a way our flagship workshop. The 6 Steps to Flexibility is a really simple, intuitive and effective way to use ACT with the ACT matrix model. We've been using it for a number of years. We developed it at the Contextual Psychology Institute in Montreal, and we've even measured its clinical efficacy since March 2018. So that's 2.5 years almost. And we can tell you that with 2 years of measuring our clinical efficacy with every single client, it's more effective, it's faster, and it's more acceptable to clients than 15,000 clinicians from all approaches. So we know it's effective. We know it's effective, and in this workshop, over 4 3.5-hour sessions, over 4 days, you'll get a chance to directly experience from the perspective of your own personal experience those 6 steps to psychological flexibility, and experience them in such a way with exercises that you'll be able to directly translate, apply directly to your clinical or intervention practice pretty much on, well, after the first day, in fact, if you choose to do that. So we know it's effective. Also, we're doing these workshops from 8:30 to 12 noon Montreal time, which means that if you're in Europe, you can participate. It's going to be a little bit harder if you're on the West Coast. You'll have to get up at for 5:30. But if you can't attend the workshop itself, we record the sessions on video, and you can then have access to the videos. In addition to the workshop itself, you will receive support emails over 8 weeks after the workshop. So we know distributed learning is more effective, and that means that over 8 weeks you get a short email with some details about one way to use one of the steps, a short video, and also a checklist. So all this together, we know is going to give you a chance to change your clinical practice forever, to become more effective, and most importantly, by my lights, to actually work less hard for greater efficiency. And that's really important because, of course, you know, as clinicians and practitioners, we tend to be subjected to a burnout more than other professions. And I believe this is because we work too hard, often using models that are too complex. So with this model, it's simple, it's effective, you work less hard, which means that you have more time to do the other important things to you in your life. So I hope to see you there. We're excited. We're in 2020, and I think the last time we gave an online workshop must have been in 2015 in the English language. So hopefully you'll be there. If you've, by the way, attended this workshop in the past, because I've given it on 5 continents today. So if you've attended it with somebody other than me organizing it, somebody other than the Contextual Psychology Institute organizing it, please send us an email, and you can attend again for half the price this time. Just, you know, to recognize that you've already done it, but you want to learn some more, and every time you do it, you will learn new stuff. And if you've already done it with us, then as you know, you only have to pay us $50 administrative fee, and you can retake this workshop as many times as you possibly want. So it's a bit like a yoga class. You know, you go to the same class, you do the same movements every time, but you learn something new, you notice new stuff every time. So you know what to do now. Go to contextsci.com/en/calendar. And hopefully see you in, oh my God, I forgot when it is, September 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. I think that's when it will be, and I will see you there. Thomas, you have something to say? It doesn't have anything to say. What? Oh, he has to say what. So with this, I'll see you at the workshop. Bye.